Hello students, welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn Standard 8 Mathematics and its lesson number 5 Expansion Formulae. In previous standard we have learned these formulae. Okay, now we have to learn some new expansion formulae. So let's start with our first formula, that is expansion of x plus a into x plus b.
Learn expansion of x plus a into x plus b. X plus a and x plus b are binomials with one common term. In these two binomials, this term is common. Let's multiply them. So write down x plus a into x plus b equal to, first we multiply x to this bracket, x into x plus b, then write down plus sign, a into this bracket, x plus b, then multiply x into x is x square plus x into b is bx or xb plus a into x is ax plus a into b is ab. Okay, which is equal to x square plus, see these two terms, in two terms x is common, so write x in bracket b plus a into b, that is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus, this is written as a plus b into x plus ab. This is our first expansion formula. Okay, remember this formula. When we have to calculate product of two binomials with one term in common, then we use this formula. Okay, now we see practice set 5.1. We have to solve examples in practice set 5.1 by using this formula. Okay, see first example, expand a plus 2 into a minus 1. Here we have to find multiplication of two binomials and these binomials with one term in common. See here, this term is common. Therefore, we use this expansion formula to expand these binomials. Okay. Therefore, a plus 2 into a minus 1 equal to, see here, x plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here x is a is 2, x is a and b is minus 1. So substitute values in this formula. So x square means a square plus a is 2 plus b means minus 1 into x, and x is a, plus ab, a is 2 and b is minus 1. Now we simplify, a square plus 2 plus minus 1 into a plus 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, which is equal to a square plus 2 minus 1 is 1, that is 1 into a. 1 into a means a minus 2. This is expansion of a plus 2 into a minus 1. By using this formula, we have to easily calculate this. Now see second example. Second example is m minus 4 into m plus 6. So by using this formula, we have to solve this. Write down m minus 4 into m plus 6, which is equal to, here x is m, a is minus 4 and b is 6. X square means m square plus a is minus 4 plus b is 6 into m plus a into b. That means minus 4 into 6 is equal to m square. Minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2. So plus 2m minus 4 into 6, that is minus 24. Okay, this is expansion of this term. Now see third example. Third example is p plus 8 into p minus 3. So expand this. Write down p plus 8 into p minus 3 is equal to p square plus a is 8 in plus b is minus 3 into x, that is p, plus 8 into minus 3 is equal to p square plus into minus is minus, therefore 8 minus 3 is 5p. 8 into minus 3, that is minus 24. Therefore p plus 8 into p minus 3 is p square plus 5p minus 24. Okay, now see next example. Fourth example is 13 plus x into 13 minus x. Therefore write 13 plus x into 13 minus x, which is equal to 13 square plus a is x plus b is minus x into x, that is 13, plus a into b, that means x into minus x, which is equal to 13 square is 169. Okay, plus x plus into minus is minus x into 13. X into minus x is minus x square is equal to 169 plus x minus x is 0. 0 into 13 minus x square, which is equal to 169. 0 into 13 is 0 minus x square, which is equal to 169 minus x square. This is answer. Okay, now see next example. Example 5, that is 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 5y. Okay, by using this formula we have to solve. So write down 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 5y is equal to, x means 3x A means 4y and B is 5y. So use this formula, x square that is 3x square plus a plus b into x, that means 4y plus 5y into 3x plus a into b, that means 4y into 5y, okay, which is equal to 3x square is 3 square is 9 and x square plus 4y plus 5y is 9y into 3x, okay, plus 4y into 5y, 4 5s are 20, y into y is y square, which is equal to 9x square plus 9 into 3 is 27, y into x is xy plus 20 y square, okay. Next example, 9x minus 5t into 9x plus 3t. So use this formula again, 9x minus 5t into 9x plus 3t is equal to 9x square plus a into b, that is minus 5t plus 3t into 9x plus a into b, that means minus 5t into 3t, okay. It's equal to 9x square, 9 square is 81 x square, okay, plus minus 5t plus 3t, that is minus 2t into 9x minus 5t into 3t, which is equal to minus 15t square, is equal to 81x square minus 2t into 9x, which is equal to minus 18xt minus 15t square. This is answer. Expansion of these two binomials. Now see next. Next example is m plus 2 upon 3 into m minus 7 upon 3. Write down m plus 2 upon 3 into m minus 7 upon 3 is equal to m square plus a is 2 by 3, b is minus 7 upon 3, it is minus 7 upon 3 into m plus a into b, that is 2 upon 3 into minus 7 upon 3 is equal to m square plus 2 upon 3 plus into minus is minus 7 upon 3 into m minus 2 7s are 14, 3 3s are 9. It is equal to m square plus 2 minus 7, that is minus 5 upon 3 into m minus 14 upon 9 is equal to m square minus 5 upon 3 m minus 14 upon 9. This is answer. Next example, x plus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon x. So x plus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon x is equal to x square plus 1 upon x plus minus 1 upon x into x plus a into b, that is 1 upon x into minus 1 upon x is equal to x square plus 1 upon x plus minus 1 upon x, that is 0 into x plus minus is minus 1 upon x square, that is equal to x square. 0 into x is 0 minus 1 upon x square, which is equal to x square minus 1 upon x square. This is answer. Now see last example, that is 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon y minus 9 is equal to 1 upon y plus 4 to 1 upon y minus 9 is equal to 1 upon y square plus a plus b. A is 4 plus b is minus 9 into x, that is 1 upon y, plus a into b, that is 4 into minus 9 is equal to 1 upon y square means 1 upon y square plus 4 minus 9 is minus 5 into 1 upon y. 4 into minus 36, which is equal to 1 upon y square minus 5 into 1 upon y minus 36, that is minus 5 upon y
minus 36. This is your answer. Okay. I hope you understand expansion of x plus a into x plus b and how to solve examples in practice set 5.1. Thank you.